Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best treadmills under 1000 that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness 8730G Asuna Space-Saving Treadmill. The Sunny Health and Fitness 8730G is a space-saving treadmill. It has a long running surface measuring at 49 inches by 17.5. It can support weight up to 220 pounds. It is powered with 2.5 HP motor, offering speeds up to 8 miles per hour, so you can surely get a good sweat on. This treadmill has shock absorption technology that reduces the impact on your joints when you exercise. It comes with an LCD display to track distance, calories burned, time, and speed at a glance. This treadmill can be easily and securely folded flat with included folding key. It features a tablet holder and speakers, so you can listen to music through the auxiliary port. Moving on at number 4, we have the Horizon Fitness T101 Folding Treadmill. The T101 Folding Treadmill from Horizon Fitness offers a solid performance for runners, walkers and joggers. The running surface is 20 inches wide and 55 inches long. The speed ranges from 0.5 to 10 miles per hour. It inclines up to 10%. This treadmill has 3 different zone response cushioning, which gives it more convenient to use. It comes with a 2.5 HP motor to promote efficiency and reduce noise. You will find the Bluetooth-enabled system, adding to the ease of use. This treadmill comes with an easy hydraulic folding design which is ideal for home and office users. It features a tablet rack, water bottle holder, USB charging port fan, and energy saver mode. At number 3, we have the 3G Cardio Lite Runner Treadmill. The 3G Cardio Lite Runner is a small, compact and very well-built treadmill. A favorite feature of this treadmill is the electronic incline. The deck has elevation choices from 0% to 15%, and for quick adjustments. Looking at the control module, we see the simple and basic design. The speed limit for 3G Cardio Lite Runner treadmill is 12 miles per hour, but as mentioned above this treadmill is best for walking. Other specs to note are 10 different built-in programs, a 2.5 horsepower motor, a handheld heart rate monitor. Maximum user weight limit is 300 pounds for this treadmill. Running surface of the treadmill is 18.5 by 51.5 inches. It also features USB built-in speakers. At number 2, we have the Reebok Jet 100 treadmill. The Jet 100 treadmill from Reebok is designed for home use and it provides more than enough for your home workout. It has a running area of 17 inches by 51 inches, and its unique air motion technology lowers stride impact and decreases noise as you run. This treadmill comes with an automatic incline of up to 12%. The 2 HP motor can reach 16 km per hour. The console has an LED display and is equipped with 24 preset workout programs. It can support max user weight up to 242 pounds. It has a soft drop folding system for saving space when not in use. This treadmill includes MP3 and smartphone-compatible speakers, bottle holders, a device rack, a USB port that doubles as a charging port, pulse sensors, and a cooling fan. It comes with 90% assembled upon delivery. And finally at number 1, we have the Schwinn 830 treadmill. The 830 treadmill from Schwinn offers great features at an unbeatable price. It has a 20 inches by 55 inches belt offering smooth experience due to the soft track cushioning system. For an extra challenge and burning calories, it is capable of inclining up to 12%. This treadmill comes with 2.75 HP motor, offering up to 12 miles per hour of speed. It has backlit LCD screen that offers 22 programs and goal tracking. This treadmill can hold weight up to 300 pounds. It has a soft drop folding system and can be placed upright to make most out of your floor space. It comes with a USB charging port. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.